All right, we're starting lesson 80, which is division with zeros and 3-digit answers. So we are not starting anything brand new today. We are just building on what we already know. So I want you to go in today feeling confident. Woo! All right, so I am presenting something familiar to you on the left. I've used it in other videos before. This is the steps we have to take to solve every single division problem. No matter how complicated it might seem, it always follows this same format. Here we go. We're going to try out division, multiplication, subtraction, and bringing it down, all to repeat again. Our first problem is 618 divided by 3. The first thing we need to ask ourselves to do is ask, how many times does 3 go into 6? Now 3 goes into 6 twice. 2 times 3 equals 6. So I have just done division, multiplication. Now I need to do subtraction. I get a 0. Woohoo! Now does 3 go into 0? No. So I need now to bring down my 1. Now here's a new thing that you won't have seen before. Does 3 go into 1? No, it doesn't. So we actually have to put a 0 up in our quotient. Now 0 times 3 is 0, which is multiplication. Now we are subtracting. 0 minus 1 is 0. Is 1. And then does 3 go into 1 now? Nope. So we got to bring down our 8. How many times does 3 go into 18? 3 goes into 18 6 times. So our answer is 206. So this is a little bit different because now we are going to have zeros in our quotient. Let's try another. This one is 1,483 divided by 4. Now, don't be concerned. We have a 4-digit dividend, but it is nothing that you can't handle. Now, the first question we ask ourselves, how many times does 4 go into 1? It doesn't. How many times does 4 go into 14? Now, if we'd like, we could put a 0 right here just as a placeholder. 4 goes into 14 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. So I'm going to subtract. I'm going to get 2. 4 cannot go into 2, so I need to now bring down my 8. 4 goes into 28 7 times. 7 times 4 is 28. Looking good so far. Now I have a 0. Now we're definitely not done because we still have a 3. Does 4 go into 0? No. But let's bring down our 3. Now does 4 go into 3? No, it doesn't. It goes in 0 times. Now what's 0 times 4? That's 0. Let's subtract. Our answer is 3, and there's no more numbers to bring down, so our answer has a remainder of 3. Our answer is 370, remainder 3. All right, let's try one more. Here we have 6,000 divided by 4. Lots of zeros in this, but again, nothing we can't handle. Here we go. How many times does 4 go into 6? It goes in once. 4, I'm going to do my little multiplication sign. 4 times 1 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Can 4 go into 2? No. So let's bring down our 0. 4 goes into 20 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20. Let's subtract. We got a 0. Now, I'm going to pause for just a moment. Don't confuse yourself here. Stay the course. Keep following the same pattern. I know that there are a lot of zeros coming up, but we've got this. Okay, we are left with a 0. Can 4 go into 0? No. So we're going to bring down our next 0. Can 4 go into 0? Nope. So we're going to put our 0 up top. 0 times 4 is 0 again. We will subtract, and we get another 0. Can 4 go into 0? No. So let's bring down our 0. Can 4 go into 0 again? Nope. It goes in 0 times. So 4 times 0 is 0 minus 0 equals, well, I can't write it, but it's 0. So our answer is 1,500, or also you could say this as 1,500. So all of these problems are slightly different than the division we've done previously because now we have zeros in our quotient. The trick is that you have to complete the process every time in order to make sure that you're going to get the correct answer. So you can always count on division, multiplication, subtraction, bring down, and repeat. If you follow that, you'll be fine. All right, good luck.